Hello, I'm Rolf. You're watching Getting It Hot with Rolf. On the menu today is Pollo Asado. We're going to get started. We're going to squeeze some oranges and some lime into the bowl that already has olive oil, minced garlic, and a little vinegar. I'm going to have the ingredients in the description for you. I'm going to be making a double batch today, so I'm not going to tell you how much I'm adding for that. Let's get these oranges squeezed in there. Get a little pulp in there, it'll be fine. I'm using 2 limes. You can get away with 1 if you get a good size one. These are small. Maybe one of these days I'll buy one of them squeezer thingies. I can still handle doing it by hand. That'll be about right for a single batch. I'm doing a double batch because we're going to be using 2 baggies, and we need some to brush on while it's cooking. You can use orange juice out of a container, be about a half cup for a single batch. You know, a little more, a little less. With cooking, everything's got to do with taste. How do you like it? You make what you like. And let's add 1 bigger lime. Alright, in my bowl, my little bowl here, we've got smoked paprika, oregano, if you can get Mexican oregano, it adds more flavor, cumin, ground black pepper, and some onion powder. We're going to add this in to our liquids here and whisk it up. I want a nice smooth mix. Yeah, can't talk today. I want a nice smooth mix without lumps. If you got a blender, you can pop this all in a blender and it'll mix it up nice for you. That will be fine. Alright, and let me go put some chicken in the bags and we'll get this marinating. Be right back. Okay, I cut some slits into the chicken so the marinade can penetrate better. We need to set aside some of the marinade. So we can brush the chicken while it's cooking. See if we can get about half of that in there. A little more. Zip it up partially and then squeeze out all the air that you can get out. And get that chicken moving. Refrigerator in a minute. So you can let this marinate between 4 and 24 hours. The longer the better on this. Again. Wash and close it. Get the air out and work it around. Once you get it all coated in the refrigerator, it goes. And every hour or so you want to take it out and squish it around and flip it over. If it's in this way, and it goes back in, put it in that way. That's all there is to it. And we'll see you later. These are going to be going on the smoker, and then they're going to get finished on the grill to get that char that brings in the flavor. Alright, see you in a bit. Let's get this chicken on the grill. Using apple wood today. Hopefully we get all these legs on here. Won't be a problem. All right, I'll be back in about an hour. Okay, time to give them a flip. Yeah, that'll work too. Yeah, we get some marinade on there. What are you all dressed up for? What are you all dressed up for? And we'll be back shortly. Pull them off. And they're ready to be pulled. What do you think, dude? It's charred. Ooh-wee, that one's hot. You gonna taste them? Why not? Because you're all pretty? Yeah. Okay. Well, that's it, folks. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Hi, I'm Rolf. I'm here at the local pantry with Sally, a volunteer, and she's got a few words to say.
Hi, I'm Sally for the Port Allegany Community Service, PAX. It's a food pantry in Port Allegany. We accept all kinds of donations.
What's going on here?
We're here twice a month,
What?
and we give out food to first and third Wednesdays of each month. You fill out your paperwork, you qualify, and then you just come down and get your food. Just one distribution, but we're here twice. From 9:30 in the morning till 11:30. We're usually here at 9 o'clock, 9 to 11:30. And we appreciate anybody that comes in and needs food. If you have an emergency, you just call, and we make sure you get emergency food too. Thank you.
Do you have a phone number?
Yes, 814-642-7098. You can leave me a message, and I'd be glad to get back to you.
Thank you, Sally. I appreciate your time
you.
and what you do here.
Thank you.